Tonight, it's beer and burgers on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole, fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a chick. Welcome back, guys. As I said, we are making burgers tonight on Cooking with Jon. Actually, we're just going to make some burgers, no big deal. I don't really have a recipe for it. I'm just going to make some, regular old burgers. But I don't have any hamburger buns. So, didn't want to go anywhere. Thought, well, why not make some burger buns then? So I found this recipe. It is 40 minutes soft hamburger buns, and it is courtesy of girlversusdough.com. I've never done one of her recipes, so why not? So, with no further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start by adding our water and our yeast. And it tells us to whisk that around until it dissolves. So we'll grab a spoon, stir it up. Next, we're going to add our oil and our sugar. We'll let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes for yeast of that. Alright guys, so now we're going to add our flour. Oh, that's a lot of flour. And our egg. And our salt. And we're going to do just take one spoon and form it up. Maybe I can't count. 6 pieces it is. So cut it up into 6 pieces, not 8. That's what I said. Yeah. And we're going to put them on a lightly oil sprayed. Let's keep on going with this, and then we back on a second. So now we got our buns. I decided with 6, as I said. We're going to cover them with tea towels and let them sit for, it says, 10 to 15 minutes. So do that, and we'll be back when those buns are ready to go, guys. Alright guys, so now it says to give them a little egg wash here. This is egg wash and water. Egg yolk and water. Then we'll pop in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Do sesame seeds sprinkled on. Had an issue with sesame seeds today, but that's it. It happens. Lovely. I don't know why they call it 2 cups of sesame or 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, though. I don't know how the hell they use that here, but whatever. Put a few more on, no big deal. Maybe it's because I only had 6 instead of 12. Anyway, now into the oven with the bad boys. My buns are done. I think they kick ass. Look at them. Beautiful. Pretty happy with how they turned out for sure. Got one set up as a burger. I got check that out, guys. Damn, eh? That's a burger and a half. Might be a couple burgers if you ask me. But anyway, let's throw that together and see how these buns worked out. Oh shit, look at that. Holy. Good God. Woo. I don't think I can get my face around this. Anyway, we'll give it a whirl. Mmm. Oh, the buns are good. Burgers are too, but I knew it would be. Damn, those are good buns. I would definitely recommend that recipe. Guys, that is 40 minutes soft hamburger buns, and it's courtesy of, I think it's Girl and Dough and something like that. Anyway, it's in the description. Come on over, check out the date and time, guys. It's Saturday the 4th. of April, 6:02 p.m. That is one kick-ass bun. That's one kick-ass burger. Anyway, guys, we will see you tomorrow with another recipe. Who knows what it's going to be? Find out tomorrow. Bye for now. So to start, guys, we are going to add our water. And then our yeast. And it says to, that's not our yeast, that's our sunflower seeds. Yeah. Now into the oven with the bad boys. That isn't even hot.